From fighter jets capable of dominating the skies to main battle tanks engineered for superior protection and firepower, join us as we delve into the world of military inventions and technologies. Number 11. Merkava Mark IV. The Merkava Mark IV, created by Israeli Defense Forces, represents a fourth-generation main battle tank renowned for its remarkable attributes. This tank excels in areas crucial for battlefield success: exceptional protection, mobility, and firepower. Emphasizing crew survivability, the Merkava Mark IV incorporates cutting-edge armor, including composite and reactive armor, ensuring superior defense against a wide range of anti-tank weapons. With its robust design and advanced defensive measures, this tank stands as a formidable adversary on the battlefield. The Merkava Mark IV showcases the relentless pursuit of technological advancements by the Israeli Defense Forces, reinforcing their commitment to providing their troops with the most effective and secure armored platform. Number 10. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, developed by General Dynamics and now Lockheed Martin, is a highly versatile single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft. With a staggering production of over 4,600 units, it has earned its reputation as one of the most widely used fighter aircraft worldwide. Operated by more than 25 countries, the F-16 is celebrated for its remarkable adaptability in various combat scenarios. Its arsenal includes an array of air-to-ground weaponry, such as laser-guided bombs and missiles, empowering it to execute precise and effective strikes on the ground targets. Whether engaged in air superiority missions or providing close air support, the F-16 Fighting Falcon stands as a formidable force in modern aerial warfare. Its exceptional capabilities continue to shape the defense strategies of nations across the globe. Number 9. Marder Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The Marder Infantry Fighting Vehicle has served as a steadfast companion to the German military since its introduction in the early 1970s. Renowned for its robust armor, this German-made armored vehicle stands resilient against small arms fire, artillery shrapnel, and even mine blasts. The Marder Infantry Fighting Vehicle embodies the essence of durability and safeguarding on the contemporary battlefield. Its unwavering presence signifies a dependable asset, assuring the protection and the operational effectiveness of German forces across diverse combat situations. With a rich history of proven performance, the Marder Infantry Fighting Vehicle remains an indomitable force, lending unwavering support and fortitude to the armed forces of Germany. Number 8. FH-77BW Archer. The FH-77BW Archer, crafted by the Swedish defense company BAE Systems Bofors, represents a pinnacle of self-propelled artillery systems. This cutting-edge platform stands as a testament to advanced technology, delivering precise and rapid-fire support to ground troops. The Archer system's ingenuity lies in its sophisticated automation and computerization, showcasing features such as an automatic loading system and hydraulic suspension. These advancements ensure a stable firing platform, allowing for enhanced accuracy even in dynamic battlefield conditions. With its unrivaled mobility and state-of-the-art capabilities, the FH-77BW Archer exemplifies the fusion of innovation and firepower, empowering military forces with a formidable artillery solution. It stands tall as a testament to Swedish engineering prowess and serves as a valuable asset in modern warfare, bolstering ground troops with unparalleled fire support capabilities. Number 7. Eurocopter Tiger. The Eurocopter Tiger, recognized as the Airbus helicopter's Tiger, stands as a formidable attack helicopter created and produced by Airbus Helicopters. Tailored to fulfill the demands of contemporary battlefield operations, this aerial machine excels in various roles, encompassing reconnaissance, close air support, and anti-tank missions. The Tiger is equipped with cutting-edge defensive systems that fortify its survivability. Among its advanced features are radar warning receivers, a missile approach warning system, and chaff and flare dispensers, which contribute to its exceptional self-defense capabilities. As a versatile combat asset, the Eurocopter Tiger embodies the pinnacle of aerial prowess, combining agility, firepower, and protective measures. With its robust design and state-of-the-art technology, this attack helicopter exemplifies Airbus Helicopters' commitment to delivering superior performance and adaptability in the ever-evolving theater of warfare. Number 6. T-Rex-2 IFV. The T-Rex-2 IFV, crafted by the esteemed Singaporean defense company ST Engineering, represents an exceptional armored fighting vehicle renowned for its outstanding mobility, robust engine, and remarkable amphibious capabilities. Engineered to navigate rugged landscapes, this vehicle excels in traversing challenging terrains with ease. Its powerful engine empowers it to conquer rough and uneven surfaces, ensuring swift and efficient movement on the battlefield. Additionally, the T-Rex 2 IFV boasts amphibious capabilities, enabling it to seamlessly transition between land and water, achieving high speeds while maintaining control and stability. This versatility grants the vehicle a strategic advantage, allowing for agile maneuvering and swift deployment across various operational environments. The T-Rex 2 IFV epitomizes the cutting-edge technology and engineering prowess of ST Engineering, positioning it as a formidable asset for armed forces seeking a reliable, mobile, and adaptable armored fighting vehicle. Number 5. JAS-39 Gripen. The JAS-39 Gripen, a remarkable creation by Swedish aerospace company Saab, stands as a lightweight, single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft. Renowned for its versatility, the Gripen effortlessly tackles various roles and missions with ease. Notably, it shines in its ability to operate from short and unpaved runways, showcasing its adaptability in diverse environments. Furthermore, the Gripen's exceptional ease of maintenance translates into minimal downtime, enabling a swift turnaround between missions. This attribute contributes to its impressive operational readiness, ensuring that it remains poised for action whenever called upon. With its agile performance, reliable functionality, and efficient maintenance, the Gripen embodies a prime example of aerospace engineering prowess. The Saab team's commitment to excellence shines through in the creation of this highly flexible and operationally reliable fighter aircraft. Number 4. Type 99. The Type 99, a formidable creation of the People's Republic of China, represents a third-generation main battle tank that embodies cutting-edge engineering and military capabilities, distinguished by its advanced armor protection, which encompasses composite and explosive reactive armor. The Type 99 stands as a veritable fortress against anti-tank weapons. This robust defense system ensures the tank's enhanced survivability on the modern battlefield. Additionally, Type 99 boasts an active protection system, a testament to its technologically sophisticated design. With the ability to detect and intercept incoming missiles and rockets, the tank solidifies its position as a highly capable and reliable combat vehicle. The People's Republic of China's dedication to innovation and defense strategy shines through in this creation of the Type 99, further cementing its status as a formidable force on the global stage. Number 3. The Caesar. The Caesar, a product of Nexter Systems, stands as a French-made 155-meter self-propelled howitzer that embodies exceptional mobility and firepower. Designed to provide precise and prompt fire support to ground troops, the Caesar proves to be a valuable asset on the battlefield, equipped with an advanced fire control system, which encompasses a laser rangefinder, digital battlefield management system, and navigation system. The howitzer ensures accurate target acquisition and effective deployment. Its high level of mobility enables swift maneuverability, allowing it to swiftly respond to changing combat scenarios. The Caesar's combination of advanced technology and mobility underscores its role as a reliable and efficient self-propelled howitzer. Developed by Nexter Systems, this French-made weapon system embodies the commitment to innovation and effectiveness in modern warfare. Number 2. Freccia Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The Freccia Infantry Fighting Vehicle is an advanced armored vehicle created by the Italian defense company Iveco Auto Malera. It boasts a state-of-the-art digital system that amplifies situational awareness and facilitates seamless communication. Equipped with a battlefield management system, digital map display, and satellite navigation system, the Freccia IFV emerges as a highly prized asset in combat scenarios. Its advanced capabilities ensure effective coordination, enhanced understanding of the battlefield, and optimized navigation. The Freccia's IFV's cutting-edge technology empowers military forces with real-time information and comprehensive situational analysis, granting them a decisive advantage. With its robust features and advanced systems, the Freccia IFV serves as a formidable presence on the battlefield, capable of executing a wide range of missions with precision and effectiveness. Number 1. RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk stands as a remarkable high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, meticulously crafted for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Its advanced array of sensors and communication systems, comprising electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signal intelligence equipment, bestow exceptional surveillance capabilities. The Global Hawk's ability to conduct autonomous takeoff and landing operations further accentuates its cutting-edge design. With its long-endurance capabilities and real-time data collection, this UAV serves as a formidable asset for gathering vital information in diverse operational environments. The RQ-4 Global Hawk embodies the pinnacle of aerial technology, catering to the critical needs of intelligence and reconnaissance missions with precision and efficiency. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Also, let us know in the comments which military invention you found the most interesting. We value your feedback and appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.